Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept each string containing number of b's congruent to 1 modulo 4. See, here number of b's congruent to 1 modulo 4. 1 modulo 4. What is the previous one? Number of is 2 modulo 4. Correct. Now the b's are there congruent to 1 modulo 4. Now how many states will be there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 states will get here definitely, out of which one is the final state will get. Check it, we will check. So number of b's, so when we congruent to 1 modulo nothing but number of b's, when you divide with 4 we should get remainder as a 1. What are those numbers? 1, 5, 9, yes or no, 13, correct or not? These are the numbers and these values only should accept, for remaining things should be reject, correct? So now I will make Q naught is initial state on 1B. I look for B only, later I will write for A. Q naught on B, Q1. For 1B should accept or not? Yes, finally. For 2B should reject, correct or not? For 2B it should reject. For 3B, yes, should be reject. Fourth B should reject. Fifth B should accept. See, 1B accepted, 2B rejected, 3B rejected, 4th B rejected, 5th B accept, 6th reject, 7th reject, 8th reject, 9th accept. Yes. So this is FA. Here no restriction for A is here. I can give a transition for A here, each and every state here. Any number of A's can come. Are you getting my point? See, now what is the final state? 1 only. Total how many state we got? 3. 0 to 3, 4 only, correct or not? Yes or no? Now also number of states in minimal FA equal to how many we got? 4 only, because 1 modulo 4, this only. Whatever after mod, whatever the number is there, those many states will get definitely. And before whatever the number is there, that is the final state is going to be happen. Correct or not? Either you are getting a number of A's or number of B's congruent to 1 modulo 4, 2 modulo 3, 1 modulo 5, whatever you take. After mod, whatever the number is there, those many state will get. Before whatever it is, that is the final state is happening. Yes or no, all of you? The observation is correct or not? Yes, please note down all of you clearly, and thank you so much.